Zapier is a very popular tool that's used to connect different applications together so that they can talk to each other. Mantis Property includes a Zapier integration feature that allows you to set up your account so that any new leads or inquiries coming into Mantis Property are automatically sent through Zapier to the app of your choice. Zapier supports over 5,000 different apps, including different social media platforms, things like Microsoft Office and Gmail and Google Docs, and a wide variety of other applications around the world. In this demonstration, I'm going to show you how you can set up your integration with Zapier and some of the things that you can do with it. So to set up your Zapier integration, you just need to go into Preferences, then into Third-Party Integrations, and into Zapier integration. This will automatically load the Zapier screen, and this is where you simply connect Mantis Property to any app that you want. In this box here, you can search for any app based on their name. It also shows some very common apps that you can connect to here. And we've also set up some templates, so you can come down here and click Use this Zap to use these templates. So say for instance, someone makes an inquiry on one of your listings, you can have it automatically go across to your Google Contacts by clicking Use this Zap here. We also have the same thing for Office 365 contacts. There's quite a few other options there. You can even use this Zapier integration to integrate with other EDM software programs such as MailChimp or Constant Contact. And there's also other integrations that we have. Say for instance, if your organization is using a CRM that's outside of Mantis Property, such as Salesforce or HubSpot, you can connect those too. So say for instance, you want to connect into Salesforce, you would just choose Salesforce there, or you type in Salesforce and it'll show you here anything that matches that search. Once you do that, then you just scroll down to the bottom here and it'll show create your own workflow, and it'll show you the program that you've selected. So you simply click there. This will then go to the Zapier screen and it'll show you exactly what it's going to do. So here you have the options of what Mantis Property will do. So create a new contact when a new contact is created in Mantis Property, or you can create a new inquiry that's triggered when a new inquiry is created. And then over on the right hand side, you then select what you want Salesforce to do. So say for instance, you might have a new inquiry come in here and you want to add that as a lead to a Salesforce campaign. And then you simply click Connect Mantis Property and Salesforce, and that creates your connection and everything's all set up and will work automatically. So another common integration that can be used is a connection to HubSpot. Some organizations use HubSpot to manage all of their organization's contacts and EDMs and automated workflows. So to do this, you'd simply type HubSpot up the top, and then this will create this option down the bottom here where you can click Create Your Own Workflow, which will create the connection between your Mantis Property account and your HubSpot account. So on the left here, we can say when a new contact is created, it'll trigger that connection to HubSpot. Or we can choose when a new inquiry comes in, it creates that inquiry in HubSpot. Over on the right hand side, we then choose what we want HubSpot to do. So it might be adding that contact to a list, adding that contact to a specific workflow, creating associations, etc. So what we're going to do here is just choose Add Contact to List, and then click Connect Mantis Property and HubSpot. This will take you to this screen within Zapier. If you're not already logged into your Zapier account, it will ask you to log in or to register for an account. Once this screen comes up, you simply click Get Started. This then goes through a wizard that allows you to set up everything that you need. So the first thing that it does is it just double checks that you're connecting to your Mantis Property account, and then you click the start date that you want this to start receiving inquiries from. This will now try and get some sample data just to make sure that it can connect in. If you've specified a date that you want to connect to pull in inquiries, but you haven't added any inquiries since that date, then it won't be able to find anything. So you may need to go in and put a dummy inquiry into Mantis Property. Otherwise, set that date back to a previous date where you know you have inquiries. The next thing is to connect to your HubSpot account. If you've previously connected your Zapier account to your HubSpot account, it will automatically show here. Otherwise, you can click connect a new account and that will connect. The next step for HubSpot is to basically scroll through your lists that you've set up and then just select the list that you want those inquiries to go into. Then you have some more options here to customize your Zap, and you click next. And then the next step is to test the Zap, so that way Zapier will test to just make sure that it can pull the data in that you need and put it into HubSpot where you need it. Once it's tested it and confirmed it's working, then you can turn on that Zap and everything will work automatically. So with this Zapier integration, this expands the functionality of Mantis Property dramatically because it allows you to basically connect to almost any program that you can think of to get data out of Mantis Property and into other programs that you might want to use that data in.